Managing complex projects is like running a Formula 1 pit crew. Every task matters, every second counts, and coordination is everything. My colleague Paul and I are technical support specialists who spends our days helping enterprises migrate to the cloud. And we built WorkPit to solve the two biggest headaches in project management. Every new customer project means creating 15 to 20 standard tasks manually. And once those tasks exist, team members are left staring at overwhelming backlogs, asking, what should I do today? We need tools that automate the routine and visualize the workload. First, let me start by showing you our Confluence page. Here we created a space called Migration Mission Control Home, where we added some pages which display the projects we usually do for customers. If I open one of those pages, let's say the database migration, you can see over 10 bullet points with different tasks we have to do during this project. Now, if we were to create over 15 tasks manually in Jira, it would take us over 30 minutes. That's why we built the app WorkPit. Now, let's see what our app can do. If I go back to my Jira dashboard, I want to create a new Jira issue of type Epic. Here I'm going to enter the customer's name and the project we're going to work on. Our customer is WorkPit and our project is a database migration. I'm going to write a short description and I'm going to create my new issue. As you can see, my issue is created in less than 5 seconds. If I open it, I can see that my issue contains over 10 stories with every bullet point from our Confluence page, everything created in less than 10 seconds. As you can see, our issue was flagged automatically. For this feature, we worked on a small automation that checks the assignee, due date and start date fields. If those are empty, it flags the issue. If you fill those fields, it will remove the flag automatically so that the project manager and the colleagues knows the status of every issue. Now let's see how team members manage their personal workflow. This is a personal work scheduler, a weekly calendar view right inside Jira. Our work scheduler application is built from two different parts. First of all, on the left, we have a list of unplanned issues, and on the right, we have the calendar for the specific week. I assigned myself a few tasks created earlier. If I open one, you can see I added a label containing the number of hours I want to work on it. Also, you can see the field due date is still empty. If I go back to the calendar, and let's say I want to work on my issue on Tuesday from 8 o'clock till 12, I can drag and drop it. A few seconds later, the calendar is being updated and you can see that my task was programmed on Tuesday from 8 to 12 o'clock. If I open my task now, you will see that the due date was also updated to the date I'm going to work on the task. If I don't want to work anymore on that day on the task, I can simply right-click on the issue and the issue is being deleted from the calendar and added back to the list on the left. This was our first Forge project and RoboDev helped us get up to speed fast. From helping us with API integrations to debugging, Rovo was always a helping hand. WorkPit, where work gets organized, optimized and accelerated. Built by practitioners for practitioners. Thank you for watching.